Hello guys, this is Gabby Tech. Do you remember this monitor from AOC? Guess what? It multiplied. Ta-da-dam! This is a huge 2K gaming monitor from AOC G-Line 2nd generation CU34G2 34 curved gaming monitor. Adaptive screen, huge, 1500R, 100 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. Beautiful and big baby that you will pack right now. As you see guys, the assembling mechanism is exactly the same like on AOC 24GU right here. Same leg, same stand, very basic mechanism. If you want assembly video, tell me, I will do it for you once again. Or you can just go and check the AOC monitor, how did I do at that time. We also have HDMI cable, DisplayPort cable and electric cable. So guys, you see this monitor is extremely beautiful, the biggest brother, the same design. You know already the drill with these monitors. We're gonna make a video where we test the gaming performance and everything else, and of course a small calibration guide afterwards. So stay tuned for the next reviews and thank you very much. Subscribe.